Hi guys, so today's tutorial is going to be on how I achieve what I call a daytime natural looking brow. Okay, so here you see me brushing my brows in a direction. And then what I'm going to do is apply my Pro Concealer. This is the color Fawn. I get this from my favorite beauty store. And I stick to one shade lighter than my skin tone. Again, I want to present a very natural daytime eyebrow. Now, if I take it 2 shades lighter, in my opinion, that's for a nighttime brow. But this is my favorite. Okay, so here I am just finishing the other side, just making sure that I extend the concealer all the way to my temple area, and then underneath I try to follow the natural shape of my brow. As this video continues, you will notice that one of my brows is higher than the other one, and I'm completely okay with that. Okay, so here is one of my favorite tools, my beauty sponge. I'm going to use it to blend out the concealer. It's one of my favorite tools. And then I'm going to use my my MAC brow brush to apply the Anastasia dip brow, as you see here. Okay, you want to keep your brush at an angle, and you want to make small light strokes across the brow, following the natural shape of your brow. Okay, so the other side is just a little bit harder for me. As you can see, I tend to have to come across my face, which makes things a little bit harder. But notice that I'm filling in my edges. I'm really focusing on the tips because that's where I need a little bit more brow extension, and I try to stay away from overdoing the center portions of my brow. Lastly, I like to apply the Anastasia tinted brow. I don't really need this, but I think this works really well for women who need a little extra brow coverage. So check that one out. But that was my video. I hope you guys liked it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click notification.